What's up, fam? My name is Cameron and welcome back to my channel. So today we have the EasyAcc, which I'm sure the ACC stands for accessories, QI certified wireless charging stand with multi-device organizer. That is one long title. What this organizer is, it's a charger for your iPhone X. It is an organizer because you can put, your checkbook, you can put your pens, you can put your Sharpies, your markers, whatever you have in there. Even you can put your glasses, and all you have to do is plug in this one cord that comes behind it, and then you plug that into a USB port, which I'm plugging mine into the back of my computer so it'll always be running. And all I have to do is just rest my phone right there on that little platform that you see. It has a little green light, that means it's charging, and then if no phone's on there, it means it's idle and it'll have a blue light. And of course, I just want to say before this video ends, if you are not subscribed already, to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification there to get notifications of when I upload. Comment down below if you have any questions of any sort, and hit that like button. This is a really cool little item that you can have to keep your desk organized if you're a neat, clean person. If you guys do want this product, check the link down in the description below. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll see you next time. Later, fam.